Here's my mess. I have been sick. I ended up getting COVID, went back to school, and probably the second day there, I got COVID from a coworker. So this is how I ended my August month. I just did this is one of those Wallies. I had a bunch of them, so I love sunshine, and August to me is about sunshine. And that was the end of my August spread. I added in some dots, did just some little doodles. These were stickers that went with this set, if you saw it last time, or if you want to look back on that. I put this in for September, and I'm probably going to add in a lot of music on this to just do a doodle session, so you don't have to listen to my voice sounding so lovely. And this is what I put for my September calendar. This is just a 3x5 card, and then I trimmed off another 3x5 for this. I layered it with something from Creative Memories. These are from Creative Memories. Just old stickers and stuff that I'm using for my stash, you know. Crash your stash. I started the September piece, and I got to here. Well, this was just the beginning of the end of August. So what I like to do is, you know, this is September, August. Then when I get to this page, I put in the August and just say, like, see last month on it. And then I'm starting my September pieces, and I'm going to go through. Again, I am just using what I have. I have some of these super tips, and that's what I used for these are stickers that I got on sale from Hobby Lobby when they just did their 50% off stickers. And I'll give you a quick peek of what I got. And just so you know, these ones at 50% off were the same price as, so it's about the same amount of stickers as you'd get from Dollar Tree. And something, I can't remember, I have the receipt somewhere, but I'll put them in if I can find them. And I got these, again, for the same price as you'd get at Dollar Tree. I took one out and used it, that's this one. So you get 22 pieces in this one. And, you know, they repeats on both sides. And again, this was from the same price as you'd get Dollar Tree stickers. I try not to spend too much on them. I got these before I got sick. These ones, again, are the same as, would be the same as the Dollar Tree price. I just thought these were so pretty. 28 stickers in this one. So it's, they're also clear. They're clear back stickers. These ones, I was like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They've got sparkle. I don't know if that shows up, but they are very sparkly, very pretty. This is 26, and it's butterflies. And these ones also, this one's 36. There's some little, like, buttons, but boy, those would make really cute junk journaling with the buttons. If I start coughing, I will probably end up editing that out. These are so pretty. I love the birds, the butterflies. And this one, again, these would be the same. 36 stickers, same price as Dollar Tree. Don't want to sound like a broken record, but... And I got these. My cousin loves, like, chicken. That's her decor in her house. So I got these thinking that I might do something. So half price, $3.99. Do the math. $1.50. $2. But these ones are removable. And it's only those 4 pieces. So it probably wasn't that great of a buy. But they were so pretty. And that's why I only got like two different ones. I almost picked up more, but then I realized They're removable, but they look like really pressed flowers. I mean, these are, I don't know if you can tell the quality of those, but they are just gorgeous. $1.50, and there's 20, and they're cardstock stickers, so they're pretty. Sorry, that light is not helping. They're pretty solid stickers, but they were just so cool, and I just thought they'd be so pretty for junk journaling. And I have a thing about the balloons. I have some of the ones from the Dollar Tree, so I thought those would be really pretty for a junk journal. As well as these, kind of a Victorian, I love Shakespeare and the Victorian era. And I found one of my old pens, and it still works amazing. I'm just going to say, this is one of my favorite pens. It's the Zig Ball 0.5mm archival. I don't know if they still make them. I've had this thing forever, and it still writes so well. I used them over here. These were from a paper pack. Again, Creative Memories. And it doesn't... I grabbed like all my apple stickers, because when I think of fall, I think of apples. So I have these that were from Creative Memories. And I think... And these ones have the wheat. So I'm going to put my notes. Using up what I have. I'm surprised this little leftover book had enough pages to make a planner for that many months. So, you know, I started off pretty plain, and I've gotten to a point where I'm putting more in and, you know, trying to get my style. So that's for this week, and I'll try to get this up this weekend so you can see it, and I'm going to be working on my next one for the next few weeks. So hope everyone's feeling great, and I'm sending bright blessings. If you get a chance and have an inclination to like and subscribe, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.